Can we see our password on Roblox? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can see our password on our Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Roblox. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've opened up your Roblox, what you'll need to do is head over to More on the bottom right. After you're there, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the settings. Tap on settings. After you've tapped on settings, there you will see a lot of different settings related to your account. So let's head over to account info first. So after you tap on account info, you'll get your information related to your account. Now there you'll find your password as well. Now if you tap on this password option, there you'll notice that you cannot actually see the password, but you can change your password. So let's head back. Let's go back again and let's head over to security now. And even under security, you'll notice that there is no option. You can see your password. So let's head back again. And there must not be any option for password on parental control. So same goes for payment methods and other options here as well. So the only option here is by going into your account info, you can actually just change your password entirely. So tap on this password option here and then type in your current password and then your new password. By doing that, you can actually change your password. After that, you're good to go. And I hope this answers your question about you being able to see your password on Roblox or not. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.